I'm sitting in a 2007 Toyota Avalon. We have a clone key that no longer works this vehicle. Put a new battery in there and everything. It doesn't work anymore. So this was the only key we had. So we're going to do 2 new keys. We got to do a quick reset immobilizer and we'll be good. So go to Toyota, Avalon, key coding, 07, immobilizer 1. Turn the key on. Keys on. Okay. Special functions. Quick reset immobilizer. Yes. Once this is done, the security light on the top right of the cluster will come on solid, which it has right there. So, regardless if the next screen says successful or unsuccessful, we know it's correct because that light is on. Okay, unsuccessful. Light's still on. Still works. Okay, we're basically done here with the machine. Here's what we got to do. We're going to take the key, watch the light, take the key out. Put the key in, the light will go out and it will come on. Take it out. Next key. Light will go out, will come on. Turn the ignition off to on 5 times. The light will go out. Both keys are programmed. Put the key in here. There we go, and it starts up. All done.